well charged, then watch charged, and then the running bag. Phone will go here. Today I'm not going to take any water because still the morning 1.3 liter of water that I had drank is still there. So I do not need water for 5 kilometers for sure. So just the phone will stay here and my basketball shorts. अरे यार बारिश हो रही है, कैसे कोई रनिंग करे इतने बारिश में. Good morning friends. So yeah, by looking at my face you know I am sleepy. It's swollen. I'm not sleepy, but my face is swollen because I've just woke up. Not just, it's been almost 3 hours since I woke up. Today somehow I woke up around 3 a.m. and I tried to sleep, but sleep did not come back. So I kind of did a lot of morning stuff, like I drank 1 liter of lemon water, warm lemon water. Then I have to go for a run, but before that I am thinking to do some cooking. It's now 6 a.m. So before that I am thinking of doing some cooking and then go for the run. So that's the idea. So what am I cooking? I will be cooking today 2 items, but the videos I will make separate for the 2 items. One is turai wali dal. So basically it's the dal with, my eyes kind of burning. I washed it with water and all. Still it feels like something is there inside, but there is nothing inside. So I just feel like rubbing it. Ooh, shoot. Okay, to get started. So the 2 items that I am making, one is turai wali dal. So it's a dal with turai in that. So what is turai? Turai in Telugu is called as birkai. In Odia is called as janni. In Hindi is called as turai. And in English it is called as rizgad. So choose whatever name you want to choose. I am going to use turai. So while the dal is releasing this hot air from inside, I am going to prepare for the tadka or chonk. So for that I have, this is how the outside is like. It's morning 7 now. Like I was saying, I have today woken up somehow at 3 a.m. in the morning, and then I was not getting sleep. So I kind of got myself busy by drinking my water, by doing the meal prep for the lunch before I can go for the run. I did like I boiled the dal, etc., and prepared everything for the tadka and all. And now I'll just go for a run, come back, take a bath, have my energy drink, and then give the tadka to my sabjis, and then enjoy the meal. So let me show you how it looks like right now. This is the outside view. You can see it's cloudy, not much sunny, so perfect time to go for the ground situation. You can see the floors are wet, so I think slight drizzle is happening. So this looks like the really awesome weather for me to take a 5-kilometer run today, and see you later. Bye. So I'm all set for going for a run. My headset well charged, then watch charged, and then the running bag. will go here. Today I'm not going to take any water because still the morning 1.3 liter of water that I had drank is still there. So I do not need water for 5 kilometers for sure. So just the phone will stay here and my basketball shorts. यार हालत बहुत बुरी है यार, बारिश हो रही है, कैसे कोई रनिंग करे इतने बारिश में। मैं इतना एक्साइटेड होके आई, फुल बारिश हो रही है, सब ड्रॉप गिर रहा है। अरे यार क्यों, मेरे को साउंड आया। नो। सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे ना प्लास्टिक का सीट डाला हुआ है, जिसकी वजह से अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा भी बारिश होता है ना, यहाँ एकदम फुल आवाज़ आती है, उसी से पता चल ही जाता है। अभी क्या करूँ, नीचे थोड़ा जाके देखती हूँ कितना बार, नहीं ज़ोर ज़ोर से ही हो रहा है, नहीं होगा ठीक है घर जाऊँगी। यहाँ से देखती हूँ कितना बारिश हो रहा है। डूड ये तो चलेगा मेरे को लगता है ना, चलेगा चलेगा, कर लेते हैं ना। ठीक है जाके करती हूँ। इफ़ आई गो बैक इट विल बी हार्ड फॉर मी टू कम बैक। ओके सी यू लेटर, बाय। थोड़ा सा ड्रिजलिंग है पर मैनेज करेंगे, शायद रनिंग करेंगे तो ज़्यादा लगेगा, पानी तो है। ठीक है देखेंगे, और जब ब्रेक लूँगी तो मिलूँगी आप लोगों से। बाय बाय। टेस्ट इज awesome, but अभी it is little cold. I really cannot tell how nice everything has come up. So while cooking it was not that flavorful, but now when I open the covers and they are so flavorful, the dal is super flavorful, the bharta is again further flavorful. So I am having it with a little bit of rice. So this is my first meal after 38 hours. The spices from green chili, it's perfect for me, but again I'm unable to decide which one has turned out to be better, and that's the best part because both are super tasty, but it seems I'm digging more into the bharta. Hi friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and give your viewpoint in your comment section, and do share with your friends, and above all subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.